These are, this is my first chair that I ever made. And I knew I wanted to do something simple because I'd never made a chair before. And I don't do a lot of complex angles that you can count on these days because I'm just working with a chop saw. But the idea was take a chair, just the most simple representation of what a chair could possibly be. And to me, that was just straight legs, square seat, square, 90-degree chair. And I took that concept and started looking at it, and I thought, I could do that. I could build a straight square chair, but what it really needed was just a few subtle adjustments to accommodate the human form, and that comes with the angled back. I think I settled on like 96 degrees or something like that. It seemed like it would be about right. And so I built the frames, sent them out to get blasted, and had them powder coated in a gray, which would work well. These are for a client that I already built a table for, so I wanted something that wasn't necessarily going to match, but just something that would work. And the wood is some really, really nice, very, very old laminated oak. And it just has a lot of character. You can see the differences in the grain from the lamination. There were old panels that I actually cut up. They were reclaimed from a friend of mine that gave them to me. And the wood is actually between, I'd say, like 250 to 500 years old. This is from virgin timber. These actually were harvested from a beam from a building that was built in 1898, I believe. And just some really good old hard stuff. And you don't see a lot of character in grain like this anymore, where it has just all these, I've only been doing this for 3 years, but I don't even think I've ever seen oak that quite looks like that. And I think that's one thing that makes these chairs special is the character that they have provided by the wood. It's good stuff. And then the slat